Hi, I'm Michelle with Team Gabriel, and this is my newest listing at 230 Abbe Road in Enfield.
Come on in and check it out. This kitchen has tons of woodwork. This whole home has accented woodwork throughout. 6-panel doors, woodwork solid cabinets.
Right off your kitchen, you have a formal dining room and an eat-in breakfast bar.
And there's access to the sunroom in the back, which is beautiful. I love the idea of a sunroom. There's plenty of room for the family to spread out. It has nice tiled floors. All woodwork throughout the entire house. It gives it a nice rustic craftsman feel. Chair railing. It leads to the foyer and to a front to back living room with a raised hearth fireplace. This home has 4 bathrooms, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths.
In your dining room, you have a large bay window that lets in lots of natural sunlight.
This home has gas heat, central air, 3 bedrooms, with one of the bedrooms having an extra bedroom that's tandem to it. So that'd be a great playroom, office, or make it a ginormous closet. It has a lot of special features. It's in a super private area, very desirable southern Enfield location.
So if you'd like to come see this listing, give me a call today at 860-362-3101 or check me out on the website, michellesellsct.com. Enjoy your day.